Hello friends, here in this video we are going to do comparison of Samsung Galaxy S2 and Galaxy S Advance. So as you can see, of course in the video you will be able to find out which one is S2 and which one is S Advance. The phone on my right side, that is this one is S Advance, whereas this one is S2. Now let's compare the physical dimension. As you can see, S2 is slightly bigger than S Advance and it is also slightly wider than S Advance. Now let's turn to the back side. Now on the back side you can see Galaxy S Advance has got a flat surface, whereas on S2 we have the bottom slightly raised here. Now here both these phones have camera with LED flash. On S2 we have 8 megapixel camera, whereas on S Advance we have 5 megapixel camera. The speakers are located at the bottom of S2, whereas the speakers on S Advance is located at the top. Now sideways we have the volume key here on both, the home button right here on both handsets, and the power button here. Now if we compare the thickness of both these handsets, you can see S2 actually is 8.5 mm thick, whereas S Advance is actually 9.7 mm thick. So it's slightly thicker, although when we take both these handsets in our hand, we don't actually feel any thickness. Actually we feel that both these phones are almost of the same thickness. But you can see when we see the Galaxy S Advance individually, it is slightly thicker at the center than the edges. We have the whole edge of the same thickness except the bottom part, which is slightly more thick, slightly thicker than the rest of the body. Now let's talk about the technical specifications of both these phones. S Advance is powered by 1 GHz Cortex A9 processor, dual core, that is, whereas S2 is powered by 1.2 GHz dual core processor. So there is slight difference in the processor clock speed, and the front camera of S Advance is 1.3 megapixel, whereas front camera of S2 is 2 megapixel. S2 can record 1080p videos, whereas Galaxy S Advance can record 720p videos. So let's talk about the display of both these phones. The display of Galaxy S Advance is Super AMOLED type, whereas of S2 is Super AMOLED Plus. So to a normal user, you won't find any noticeable difference in the display quality of both these phones, but technically there are certain differences. Now the screen size of S Advance is 4 inch, whereas in S2 it is 4.3, so it's slightly bigger diagonally. And let's just because the screen size of S Advance is slightly lower than that of S2, we have got more pixels per inch in S Advance rather than on S2. We have 233 pixels ppi in S Advance, whereas in S2 we have about 270 ppi only. Now since S Advance comes with Gingerbread edition of Android, which is pretty old, you can see it Android 2.3.6 version here, whereas in S2 I have actually upgraded my phone with Jelly Bean version, that is Android 4.1.2. It's a leaked version, but we are expecting a Jelly Bean upgrade for S Advance users as well in January of 2013. Now apart from that, camera, when we talk about the camera quality of S2 Advance, we can say it is fair. When we talk of camera quality of S2, we can say it is better than S Advance. But of course there are differences in the megapixel count of both these phones, megapixel count of camera in both these phones. Now the TouchWiz UI is responsive, everything else seems pretty smooth and responsive. We won't find any lag in either of these phones. Of course there are price differences in both these phones. Even the current market price of S Advance is a quarter lower than S2. So if you are gonna ask me which phone is better, of course S2 ranks much better than S Advance. We talk about other handsets available at this price, especially phones from HTC. We do not get any front camera in HTC phones at this price. We generally do not get any front camera, so that's a bit of advantage when it comes to S Advance, because here in S Advance we get to do video calling with the front camera, cellular video calling, 3G based video calling, which is which some Indian users of course really want to have on their phones, even if they don't use it. So when we talk about the battery backup of both these phones, S Advance beats S2 slightly, because as far as I have experienced slightly better battery life on S Advance rather than on S2. But because both are on different firmware, S Advance is on 2.3.6, that is Gingerbread edition of Android, whereas this S2 phone is actually on Jelly Bean version of Android. Previously it was on Ice Cream Sandwich. So given the difference of firmwares in both these phones, we can't actually be sure whether the hardware is culprit or whether the software here is culprit. But we are getting slightly better battery life on S Advance in comparison to S2. Now when we talk about the 3G of both these phones, S Advance have in S Advance we get about 14 Mbps, 14.4 Mbps 3G speed, whereas in S2 we get 21 Mbps 3G speed. So of course when it comes to 3G capacity, our S2 phone is faster than S Advance. Apart from that, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and all other specifications are almost similar, same in both these phones. And we'll review S Advance again when we get a firmware upgrade for this phone, especially Jelly Bean upgrade, which is expected to come in January next year. And apart from that, yeah, let's just try to play a game on both these phones and see how these phones perform. Let's launch Temple Run game on both these phones. As you can see, the performance wise both are fairly same. Actually you can find almost negligible lag in S Advance, but performance wise both phones are actually same.